Cold weather tip of the day. When you're done spreading manure in this fine weather that we have, take your jug of used motor oil, dump down in there across the chain. I just dump it on the outsides. You see over there, dump it down on the chain. Your used motor oil will keep the chain from sticking to the bed. This is a poly floor, but it still sticks when it gets cold. Clean it out the best you can, running it, and dump some used motor oil on it. Keep it from sticking. Leave the tailgate up a bit too. Doesn't have to be up very high. Then it don't freeze down. You can always raise it up and chip some stuff out, some frozen what have you, manure and that. Let it back down. It's easier with it up.